Biofuels are a hot topic, advancing technology, developing a new range of energy sources. This week, Exxon said it'd pour $600 million into the concept of using algae to produce biofuel. For Ottawa company Ensyn, they've been producing biofuel for 20 years, and their technology is turning heads for what it already does and what it promises to do. This could well be the new black gold. It looks like crude oil, and with some further processing, it is used to run engines. There are 7 commercial production plants across North America turning out this fuel. Ensyn's process takes wood chips, often a waste product from lumber mills, and in mere seconds turns it from a solid to a liquid and gas.
These are residuals that have been used in the past in both industrial panel industry, but also in pulp and paper, and now they have application for renewable energy.
Matt Gibbon has worked nearly 30 years in forestry, and he's excited about this technology. The plant can take 100,000 tons of wood chips in one day, fill this tanker truck and several of these other containers with biofuel, plus capture enough energy to keep the entire production process running, and pull out several chemicals, such as food colorings and flavoring products.
We began our business in 1984 and had our first commercial plant in 1989.
Robert Graham developed the technology 25 years ago. Called rapid thermal processing, he now has a very long track record that the process works, and that's attracting interest.
Ivanhoe Energy's innovative proprietary HTL field upgrading addresses these key challenges and is positioning Ivanhoe Energy at the forefront of the global heavy oil opportunity.
Ivanhoe Energy of Canada paid $100 million to Ensyn for the rights to use Graham's technology in the so-called heavy oil industry, including the tar sands. Their test plant turns out 1,000 barrels a day of crude, and they're close to building a plant in the tar sands. That's one side of the energy business. Graham is focused on the other side.
Renewable energy has gone mainstream. Petroleum companies are interested, banks are interested even in this economy, investment banks, and we're really finding that there's a real interest in renewable energy, and we're positioned to exploit that now.
For years, Ensyn has been making converts out of those who've traveled to their plant here in Renfrew, Ontario. And now they're getting ready to play with the big boys. The U.S. Department of Energy and its Renewable Fuels program wants to work with Ensyn.
Where our future takes us is being able to take that same liquid, that pyrolysis oil, and then doing an upgrading to it to become just like a diesel or just like gasoline. You won't be able to tell the difference between whether that gasoline that you're putting in your car came from below the ground or from above the ground from a tree.
I'm a professional forester by education, and I love it because it's really taking it from the stump and the cut blocks all the way through to the customer, and it's adding value to greater utilization of our forest resource.
Producing biofuels, marketable chemicals, a manufacturing process that's carbon neutral, produces no greenhouse gases, and can handle any biomass material. All the ingredients for a clean energy success story, 25 years in the making.